Yes, that is our dog eating sand. You hear me? That's our dog eating sand.
Why are you looking at the sand, Onyx? Why?
Look at that. He is eating sand. Literally. I've seen it on video. He's not giving up. He's gonna be shitting sand. Look at this. Look. Everyone, look at this dog. There's a bigger picture. We're not pushing him. It's all self-controlled. He is going to town on sand.
Oh my.
We have found a YouTube wonderland. The sand-eating dog. It's endless. Well, we don't need to buy dog food anymore. Look at this.
Oh wow.
His mouth. Look at the goop on his mouth right there. Look at that. Look at this.
Oh, Onyx.
You're gonna yak up sand, ain't you, dog?